So in essence, people can be wounded in the process, but your witness is distorted. How you represent Christ is distorted. Ultimately, we want people to see the Jesus in us. Am I right? We can carry his name, but we may struggle to reflect his nature. So yes, he can. Yes, he can. But we won't reflect who he is. And last time I checked, the Holy Spirit bears witness with our spirit that we are the what? Sons of God. Daughters, you're not left out of it. You're not exempt. So if you don't reflect God, the Holy Spirit is saying, that ain't it. Give me some. Christ is what? When you think of his behavior, he's humble. He's what? Amen. I don't know what you got going on, daughter. Christ is humble. He's loving. He's what? Forgiving. I like that. He's kind. He's faithful. Compassionate. Loving. Patient. We can literally run the fruit of the Spirit.